The rain falls, and many complain. But have you ever thought that rain is a hidden blessing? Rain is more than just water from the sky. It symbolizes life, growth, and hope. Every drop nourishes the earth, revives what is dry, and brings new freshness. Just like life, sometimes we must go through storms to see the rainbow. Challenges, failures, and sadness are just temporary rain, not the end of everything. So, when the rain comes, don't just seek shelter. Feel it, embrace it, and believe. After the rain, the sky will shine brighter, and you will grow stronger.